Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Food and Beyond. Today we are going to see a very high protein pistachio ice cream using Ninja Creami. Come, let's get started. To a high speed blender, I have added 2 cups of Greek yogurt. I have used Vitamix blender. To it now I added 3/4 cup of pistachios. For sweetener, I have added 3 tablespoons of honey. You can use any type of sweetener like maple syrup or agave or monk fruit sweetener or stevia extract. To it, I have added the juice of 1 big lemon. Then I have added 1 cup of pitted dates. I have used menstrual dates. Blend them everything in high speed. You do not need to add any water to it. Just blend it until the mixture is even and there are no crumbs of Greek yogurt or the nuts. Transfer the content into the Ninja Creami paint container. Freeze it for at least 18 to 24 hours. After 24 hours, I have removed the pin container from the freezer and now I have kept the container in the attachment given, and the setting I used is the ice cream setting and I have selected full. So after 2 minutes, remove it and add a little bit of milk and blend again using the same ice cream setting. Now if you see the creamy texture of the ice cream, it's so delicious and you have to try it. Now I have realized that the green color that you get from the store actually comes by adding green food color or maybe using the pistachio cream. Otherwise there is a very light tint of pale green to this ice cream. Please do try this recipe at your home and let me know how it turned out. If you like it, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.